Hi, this is Mahadi from Insta. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add buttons to the custom modules or any other modules that are not set up by default. So when we install our extension, the buttons are already set up for leads, contacts, and accounts. If we go to the contacts module, we can see we have buttons for in three places. One in the list view, one in the create view. As you can see, Address Toolkit. You can also find in the details view. But if you go to any custom modules, you can see we don't have this button. You go to the custom module. You go inside, you can see in the details view, you don't have these buttons. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first go to the setup page, and in the button, click on buttons. Then go to the module you want to set up your button in. So custom module is the button, and then click on create new button, and I'm gonna name it Address Toolkit. Define action. So it's gonna open a widget, select a page, so it's in the record, and select position. So I can say create or clone. So as this select layout, it's gonna stay in standard, configure widgets. So I'm gonna select Address Toolkit by EasyPluginz. So install this one, select profile, standard, and save. So now if I go to the custom module, and I go through the create or clone page, just on here, custom module record, you can see we all have this Address Toolkit button, and when we click on it, it opens the widget for the Address Toolkit. So you can select a place, so it's Utah. You can change the position and the data will be updated. And this population that you see, it's based on the settings you created in your Address Toolkit settings page. So if I click on populate, this will be populated. And I'm just going to say testing record, save. Similarly, you can add a button for the details view and also for any other views. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.